Guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I'm going to be as straightforward as possible. This is a public service announcement. If you wanted an unlocked Z Fold 3, do not go to Swappa, do not go to wherever you're going to. Buy it directly from Best Buy. I have links down below. You can grab this for $1,000 flat out unlocked. Well, Jay, what's the catch? Well, the catch is you just have to do an upgrade through your carrier through Best Buy's system. Now, I'm going to be transparent and say I've never done this before, but I did it and it was super simple. I literally clicked the one I wanted, which was the silver. And if you're wondering, the backstory is the reason I hadn't covered this is because I bought the 512 at launch. And I didn't want the black after that. So I ended up selling it for a dirt cheap price. And I just wanted to take that money and put it back into a silver one. Well, when I did place my order for the silver one, I fell into that back order phase where everybody's phone was back ordered for months. I said, screw it. I'm moving on. I'll keep my Z Flip 3 and I'll just keep it pushing. And so I ended up canceling that order. But fast forward to today in December, I started working on a deal for a really good price. And if you're interested, if that person will allow me to speak on it, I won't do it in this video. They're selling it for a really good price, pretty much the same as this is a mint condition, and you can't find them that low on Swappa. So, but here we are today. I was getting ready to pull the trigger on that one, and then because I was selling some stuff, some phones and stuff to get the money for the deal, and then someone told me about Green Monday, and here we are on Best Buy. This is one of their Green Monday sales. But the trick for this is that it ends in 3 days. So at the recording of this video, it is December 13, 2021. This is finished on December 16th, 2021. So you have to hurry. I got those links down below. And there's no catch or anything. You pay this $1,000 up front and you go through their system to do an upgrade on your current carrier. You don't have to use this on your carrier. I mean, and I think this is why we see so many people selling them after the fact. They might have gotten them through Best Buy or they got them some kind of deal or something like that. But nonetheless, this current deal is new. I've never seen them brand new unlocked for this price. And I thought it was some kind of scam or something like that. So I went to the store and the guy was like, no, this is legit. He said, we team up with the carriers and this is a short sale, like meaning it's not going to be like this for just a few days. And I found out about the date of the 16th is because he said, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, you don't want to wait too long because it's only going to be for 72 hours. And I was like, cool. So I got mine. And I'll start to bring you more coverage on it because I still have a ton of things for the Z Fold 3 that I just didn't cover. And the first time I had it, I didn't cover it much. So all the colors are ready to go at Best Buy. There's your green. In person, that green doesn't really look green. But here's your black, which is the one I didn't want initially after I bought it. And here's the silver, and they do have the 512 version, which only comes in black, but it's only $10.99, folks. That's a killer deal for a 512 version of this. It's ridiculous. All you have to do is log in to your Best Buy account, or just do an upgrade through Best Buy if you don't have a Best Buy login. But I guess you can do it even if you don't have a Best Buy account or whatever, like a login account. But all you do is go in through here. You add the phone that you want to your account or to your cart. Make sure you keep it here on Activate Today, and then or go into the store if you want to. You hit add, and T-Mobile's getting gangsta all the way down because if you add a line with T-Mobile, you get it for $8.99. There are no strings attached, folks. So if you choose this one here, whichever one you choose, on the next screen, it's going to show you add a line or upgrade or create a new account with T-Mobile. So, this is going to be a new account. You definitely get it for $8.99. If you add a line, you get it for $8.99, and this is T-Mobile only. But if everybody else, if you're just doing an upgrade, it's going to be $9.99 or $10.99, whichever option you choose. So, this is what it looks like right here. I guess it already logged me into my account. You see it's got my name up there. And then you continue without a trade. And then when you go to the next screen, it should ask me for my phone number and the last four of my social. So here we are. I will put in my phone number and I will put in the last four of my social. I will hit continue. It will send me a text message. I will put that text message in, like the PIN code, 6-digit code. You put it in. And it's going to be like this for Verizon and AT&T and, whoever, it's going to be like this for all of them. They're not like doing a credit check or anything like that. And I know this for sure because I have a freeze on my credit. So you can't run my credit. If you try, it's just going to come back blocked for you. So they're not doing a credit check. It's just to verify that you're the primary account holder or you have authorization. And so I put in the last four of my social, put in my phone number. It sent me a text message. I went to the next screen. It verified me. A green check mark popped up. And then that was it. And I paid for it and checked out, folks. And that was it. So I was kind of skeptical of this. And the guy was like, no, sir, no. We run these specials every now and then. Because this used to be 400. It was 400 off in here, or 300, 500 with T-Mobile. And this just popped up today. It started today, he told me. And so this is legit. If you want an unlocked Z Fold 3, now is your chance to get one. No ifs, ands, or buts. It is simply $800 off, folks. That's 44% for all you people out there who don't know how, you're not too good at math. That's 44% off. Hurry up. Because he said, you don't have to keep it on T-Mobile. It's unlocked. We needed you to activate through us to get, I guess they get some kind of credit for activations or something. I don't know. But he said, no, it's legit. You can use it wherever you want to use it after that. I was like, whoa. So, I mean, obviously I'm going to use it on T-Mobile anyway, but it's because my primary carrier. But nonetheless, folks, there is my story. This is legit. I've already done it myself. I wouldn't steer you wrong. Pick any one you want. It's $9.99 flat out, or $10.99 for the 512. You cannot beat this deal anywhere. And I don't work for Best Buy. I'm just a guy buying stuff just like you. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.